I never heard my grandparents singing, but my mum and dad did. You see, as I was saying, he had a large family and they'd come down maybe twice a month. One of the brothers or two of the brothers would come down. And when the others heard it, they'd be down too. Sometimes a hoolie would just start, they'd go over and get the stout, whatever, a dozen of stout and that. And there'd be a sing-song. And then there were the annual hoolies, celebrating. They'd come down for the Christmas, or they'd be down at Easter time and all that. Pubs in Ringsend, as it was around in the city, there were sing-songs. Once Friday night came, working men had the weekend off. There'd be sing-songs in the pubs on Friday night, Saturday night and Sunday night. In McDermott's, sometimes there was 3 sing-songs going at the one time. But there was a lot of fierce drinking went on. There really unbelievable drinking went on in the working classes at that time, But when I was growing up now, I was born in 1940. When I was growing up in Ringsend, and this would be any parish in Dublin's inner city, and it's probably the same down the country, At the weekend, that you'd see men rolling home from the pub drunk. My dad, as a result of that, my dad drank very, very little. I saw him in my lifetime only twice in a pub.
Really, yeah.
And once was to get me out of it.